Occasionally, you might need a portable power station. As a newborn of Alpha family, Mini Smile continues the style of simplicity, and is why it has dominant hue against the dark palette among the market. Meanwhile, it was wrapped by a subtle line designed to blend into your home. More than anything, your lovely keys will not be harmed by sharp edges. And with the multiple sockets, you can charge 8 appliances at the same time. Mini Smile 500, light, portable, easily carried by one hand. It is capable to charge the phone, the laptop, run a coffee machine, everywhere you need energy. Moreover, Mini Smile 1000 can be used for 1 kW electrical appliances such as microwave and oven, even in blackout. Having a quality family time with your baby girl and taking pictures. We have to capture every precious moment by charging your camera. Worry about the power of your laptop in the middle of an online conference? Mini Smile have it plugged in, avoiding embarrassing offline. Unexpected power failure? Simply plug into Mini Smile and enjoy the Christmas. Snuggling together and let TV shows ease the discomfort. Friends, tents, music, movies and beers. Cannot imagine a better night. Mini Smile would be an unsung hero supporting lights and exterior. AlphaESS provides energy storage solution for future power by clean and reliable energy. We shed the electricity cost and bring the green energy to ease energy poverty. And now, we bring our Mini Smile, a portable power station to enrich your lifestyle.